Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Alrighty, we're looking northbound here at the south end of Marion Siding. And if I can zoom in here, overcast and rainy, you'll be able to see the signal a little better. We got a high green there for this southbound loaded ethanol train K447. There's a possibility that could drop to red. He may meet a empty grain train here. Most likely he'll meet them at Thermal, but we'll try to catch that empty grain train going back northbound somewhere along the line if it doesn't get dark before he gets here. But we'll hang out here and wait for this loaded ethanol K447. Cool. Love seeing those EMDs even if they're trailing. It's kind of an oddity around here. So it's obvious that he's going to be meeting that empty grain train at Thermal, and it all depends on if he's going to be ready when he gets at Thermal, if we get a chance to see him here in the daylight somewhere around Marion. But if not, thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, he must have been waiting for that K447, this empty grain train, because he's just now knocked down the or set off the 225 defect detector. So we've moved down here to Moody Town Crossing to catch this northbound grain train. So we've lucked up today. Got a pretty good amount of sun left, So we'll catch him. Like I said, he just set off the 225 defect detector, and Moody Town right here is the 220.15, I believe. So he's not far away, so we'll definitely get to catch this guy going north. How many times am I going to say that? I don't know. Anyway. Always love seeing a bunch of company hoppers. Those are pretty cool. Alrighty, I already said it before, but I'll say it again. Thank you guys so much for watching.